Today is Monday, October 25th, and you've kind of caught me midstream. I'm in the process of pressing a grape called Negroamaro. It's a fairly obscure varietal. It's primarily grown in the Puglia region of southern Italy along the Adriatic coast. Down in that region they mostly use it for blending into Primitivo. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I really just came across this grape quite by accident. There's not much of it in California. I got this from an experimental vineyard in Yolo County. I'm using a small press today because I actually have a little less than half a ton of this grape. So there's really not enough here to run through the big press. So I keep this little press around for just such instances. There, let me walk you through what I'm doing here. This is the fermentation bin that the Negroamaro was fermented in. As you can see, there's not a lot in there. And I'm using this small white bucket here to basically bucket the must into our small press here. And once this gets filled up, I'll put a lid on this. And this actually works on a bladder that expands with water to press the grapes. Into another white bucket here, which then gets dumped into one of these larger blue food grade plastic barrels that I use. They'll be in here for a couple of days while the solids settle out, and then I'll move them into a stainless steel tank probably. So that's what we're doing today. This will take me a couple of hours. As with most everything involved in crush and winemaking, there's a lot more time involved with getting set up and cleaning up afterwards than actually going through the motions of pressing.